Hey, hey. That's quit barking. You're not giving people a very good impression. They don't want a bunch of yapping puppies. No. Okay, that's they just switched positions. Callie in the middle. She may be back on the market because the neighbor's parents may have talked her out of it since she's going to college and won't be able to take care of Callie the way probably needs to. Don't know about Doc. The people that said they wanted him, I haven't heard from them, so Doc may be back on the market. And of course, little Dixie, she's still looking for a home. They're all real sweet little guys and girls. Yes, they are. Yes. They need a good home. Jenny Sprague adopted Doc and Nessie, renamed them Jackson and Casey, and she's just in love with them. They're such good little puppies and a lot of fun. They're really cute. These guys turned 8 weeks. No, excuse me. They'll be 9 weeks. Yeah, they turned 8 weeks last Sunday, so they'll be 9 weeks old this coming Sunday. And that's better. Y'all are making a good impression. Yes, you are. You're making a very good impression. Let people know you don't bark all the time. Yeah. Oh, what? What's your matter? What's your matter? So, in other words, all of these little guys may be available for adoption again. Need to find out for sure on Doc and Callie, but I know Dixie is available. Tell you what, she's a little cutie. There she is. That's Dixie. They love each other, and they'll do good with other dogs. Jenny's puppies are doing good with her cats, so don't think there's any problem there. And I know they'll love kids. Just want to make sure that if they go to home with kids, that the kids understand that they are puppies and not be too rough with them. That's my smoke detector that needs a battery. Hate that noise.